This is for stroke. Case study 3, stroke rehabilitation. These two lights are here in the temporal lobe. This is the wrong area being stimulated. These three lights here are in the motor cortex, right here. So what we have first of all is no treatment, nothing's lit up. Physical therapy for 2 months will give us 1 light in the motor cortex. Physical therapy for 6 months will give us 2 lights in the motor cortex. Physical therapy for 1 year will give us 3 lights in the motor cortex. There, 3 lights in the motor cortex. Now when we add the excitatory TDCS in the motor cortex, physical therapy plus excitatory TDCS in the motor cortex, gives us extra lights in the motor cortex, 1 and 2, over 2 months. Physical therapy plus TDCS in the temporal cortex for 2 months will light up these lights, but those don't make the motor cortex any better. So it's just the same amount of light in the motor cortex as you would get for physical therapy alone for 2 months. Then there's these other lights in the temporal cortex, but that doesn't help. Now, physical therapy plus TDCS in the motor cortex for 6 months gives us all of the lights. So that is the best outcome because you get the same outcome in the motor cortex in 6 months with TDCS that you would have gotten with a year of physical therapy alone.